Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the most important questions on Mao Zedong, which is very helpful for cracking any competitive exams. This video is very informative to you, so be with this video till the end. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start with the first question. When and where was Mao Zedong born? Options are given to you. You need to select the correct option. The correct option for this question is option D. On December 26, 1893 in Sosan village, Hunan. Which of the following is correct about Mao Zedong? For solving this type of questions, we need to know about all the options precisely. Mao was a Chinese communist revolutionary. This is correct. He was particularly influenced by the events of the Xinjiang Revolution of 1911 and May 4th movement of 1919. He was the founding father of the People's Republic of China. This is also correct. So the correct option for this question is all the above. Option D. At which university Mao adopted Marxism-Leninism? He adopted Marxism-Leninism at Peking University. So the correct option for this question is Peking University. Let us know some important facts. He adopted Marxism-Leninism while working at Peking University as a librarian and became a founding member of the Chinese Communist Party, leading the Autumn Harvest Uprising in 1927. Rearrange these following activities done by Mao Zedong in a chronological order. For solving this type of question or rearranging the options in a chronological order, you need to know about the precise date or year in which the concerned incident took place. Let us see the options one by one. Mao initiated the Cultural Revolution. This incident took place in 1966. Mao launched the Sufan movement. This incident took place in 1955. Mao launched the anti-rightist campaign. This took place in 1957. He launched the Great Leap Forward. This incident took place in 1958. So the correct option for this question is B, C, D, 1. Third option is the correct option. Which of the following statements is not correct about Mao's famous work, Little Red Book? Let us go through the options, then only we can come to know about the correct option. Quotations from Chairman Mao Zedong is a book of statements from speeches and writings by Mao Zedong. This is correct. It was published from 1964 to about 1976 and widely distributed during the Cultural Revolution. This is also correct. The most popular versions were printed in small sizes that could be easily carried and were bound in bright red covers, thus commonly becoming known internationally as the Little Red Book. This is also correct. It was originally published by the People's Republic of China Printing Office. This is not correct. So the correct option for this question is option D. Let us know some important facts about this question. It was originally published by the People's Liberation Army Delhi. In 1993, centenary reprint of 1966 bilingual edition was published by the People's Republic of China Printing Office. Now the question is, what was the time period of the Long March which began the ascent to power of Mao Zedong? The correct option is option A, October 16, 1934 to October 20, 1935. Which of the following is not correct about the Long March which began the ascent to power of Mao Zedong? Long March is one of the most important incidents in Mao's life. So you need to know about this incident precisely. The Long March was a military retreat undertaken by the Red Army. This is correct. Its objective was to evade the pursuit of Kuomintang army. This is also correct. There was not just one long march, but a series of marches as various communist armies in the south escaped to the north and west. This is also correct. The best known is the march from Hunan province. This is not correct. So the correct option for this question is option D. Let us know some important facts. The Red Army was the armed forces of the Communist Party of China from 1928 to 1937 and the forerunners of the People's Liberation Army. The best known is the march from Jingji province, which began in October 1934 and ended in Yan'an, Xiangji province in October 1935. Now the question is, what were the names of the uprisings led by Mao against the nationalists in Hunan? Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is option B, autumn harvest uprisings. Let us know some important facts about this question. At first, the Communist Party was aligned with Chiang Kai-shek's nationalist party, the Kuomintang. Eventually, the nationalists turned on the communists. The Autumn Harvest Uprising was an insurrection that took place in Hunan and Jiangxi provinces, China, on September 7, 1927, led by Mao Zedong, who established a short-lived Hunan Soviet. Options are given here. The correct option is option B, Mao Zedong. Hunan Soviet was established by Mao Zedong. Now the question is, who was the mentor of Mao at the Peking University? The correct option is option A, Yang Changji. Now the question is, in his early life, Mao was influenced by which revolutionary? Options are Yang Changji, Sun Yat-sen, Chen Duozhu. The correct option is option D, B and C. Let us know some important facts about this question. In his early life, Mao was influenced by the publications of two revolutionaries, Sun Yat-sen and Chen Duozhu, both of whom argued that China had to adopt various Western political philosophies in order to modernize. At which place Mao came in contact with new ideas from the West. Options are given here. Select the correct option. The correct option is option B, Changsha province. Let us know some important facts. At a secondary school in the provincial capital, Changsha, Mao came in contact with new ideas from the West as formulated by such political and cultural reformers as Liang Qiuchao and the nationalist revolutionary Sun Yat-sen. Now match the following. Higher primary school. Mao attended higher primary school in native village. Secondary school. He went to secondary school at Changsha. Acquired a basic knowledge of the Confucian classics. He acquired the knowledge of Confucian classics at the age of 8. Forced to begin working full-time on his family's farm. This incident took place at the age of 13. So the correct matching for this question is 4, then 3rd, then 1, then 2nd. So correct option is option D. Let us know some important facts. At the age of 8, he attended his native village primary school and there he acquired a basic knowledge of using, which is also known as Confucian classics. At 13, he was forced to begin working full-time on his family's farm. Mao left his family to study at a higher primary school in a neighboring country and then at a secondary school in the provincial capital Changsha. Now the question is, what role Mao played from 1953 to 1958? Options are constructed the first constitution of the PRC, People Republic of China, launched the industrialization program, then initiating the two bombs, one satellite project. So all options are correct. So the correct option for this question is option D, all the above. Mao also was elected chairman of the Communist Party while residing in the revolutionary simulacrum of the new Soviet. What was the name for the new semiotic space? Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is option C, Yan'an. Let us know some important facts. Mao set up a new Soviet following the Long March, in which political and military indoctrination occurred. Now the question is, what were the millions of youth who rose up in support of Maoist thought during the Cultural Revolution called collectively? Options are Red Soldiers, Red Crusaders, Red Patriots, Red Guards. What is the correct option? The correct option is option D, Red Guards. Where did Mao Zedong set up the new Soviet? Options are given here. New Soviet is also very important. So you need to know about the new Soviet. It was set up in Jiangxi. So the correct option is option B. Let us know some important facts. After separating from other communists in Shanghai and elsewhere, Mao set up a Soviet named New Soviet with his trusted army officer Zhu De. This is also very important. Mao launched the second five-year plan in January 1958, known as, this is also very important. The correct option is option C, Great Leap Forward. This is also very important for the Mao topic. So the correct option is option C, Great Leap Forward. In 1958, he launched the Great Leap Forward that aimed to rapidly transform China's economy from agrarian to industrial. Mao himself claimed that a total of 7 lakh people were killed in attacks on counter-revolutionaries during the years? Options are 1950 to 1952, 1944 to 1949, 1949 to 52, none of these. What is the correct option? The correct option is option A, 1950 to 1952. When did Mao launch the socialist education movement? The correct option is option D, in 1963. During Mao's era, China was involved in which world famous incident? Options are Indo-Pak War, Korean War, Sri Lanka freedom struggle, Glorious Revolution. If you know the year in which these incidents took place, you can write the correct answer for this question. So the correct option is for this question is option B, Korean War. During Mao's era, China was involved in the Korean War, the Sino-Soviet split, the Vietnam War, and the rise of Khmer Rouge. Now the question is, which of the following statements is correct about the spelling of Mao Zedong's name? For solving this type of questions, we need to know about all the options precisely. The English language media universally rendered his name as Mao Zedong. This is correct. English language media used the Vedgai's system of transliteration for standard Chinese, though with the circumflex accent in the syllable say dropped. This is also correct. The pinyin-derived spelling Mao Zedong is increasingly common. This is also correct. So the correct option for this question is all the above. Let us know some important facts. While the pinyin-derived spelling Mao Zedong is increasingly common, the Vedgai's-derived spelling Mao Zedong continues to be used in modern publications to some extent. Which of the following statements is not correct about Mao Zedong's life? Options are learning the value system of Confucianism. He later admitted that he did not enjoy the classical Chinese text preaching Confucian morals. This is correct. He favored classic novels like Romance of the Three Kingdoms and Water Margin. This is also correct. At age 13, Mao finished primary education. This is also correct. His father united him in an arranged marriage to the 12-year-old Liu Yizhu. This is not correct. So the correct option for this question is option D. Let us know the correct answer for this question. The correct answer for this question is his father united him in an arranged marriage to the 17-year-old, not 12-year-old, Liu Yizhu, thereby uniting their land-owning families. Now the question is, whose liberal emphasis on individualism led Mao to believe that strong individuals were not bound by moral codes but should strive for the greater good, and that the end justifies the means? Conclusion of consequentialism. Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is option A, Frederick Paulson. Now match the followings. Political consciousness. Mao's political consciousness was influenced from Zhang Gaoning's booklet. Political views were shaped by Galileo-led protest. Nationalist fervor from George Washington and Napoleon Bonaparte. Changsha's library. He got knowledge about classical liberalism at Changsha's library. So the correct option for this question is option B. Let us know some important facts. While working on his father's farm, Mao read voraciously and developed a political consciousness from Jiang Guaning's booklet, which lamented the deterioration of Chinese power and argued for the adoption of representative democracy. His political views were shaped by Galileo-led protests, which erupted following a famine in Changsha. Interested in history, Mao was inspired by the military prowess and nationalistic fervor of George Washington and Napoleon Bonaparte. In Changsha's library, he read the core works of classical liberalism. Studying independently, he spent much time in Changsha's library, reading core works of. About this question, we have already discussed in previous question. So the correct option is option A, classical liberalism. Let us know some important facts about this question. Studying independently, he spent much time in Changsha's library reading core works of classical liberalism such as Adam Smith's The Wealth of Nations and Montesquieu's The Spirit of Laws, as well as the works of Western scientists and philosophers such as Darwin, Mill, Rousseau, and Spencer. The People's Republic of China was established on. The correct option is option B, October 1st, 1949. Mao published his first article in which magazine in April 17? The correct option is option B, New Youth. Mao published his first article in New Youth in April 1917, instructing readers to increase their physical strength to serve the revolution. Which of the following poems is written by Mao? The correct option for this question is option B, The Double Ninth. Let us know some important facts about the literary work of Mao, because the literary works of any thinker is very important for the exam perspective. Mao was a prolific poet. Some of his most well-known poems are Changsha, published in 1925, The Double Ninth, October 1929, Lausanne Pass, 1935, The Long March, 1935, Snow, February 1936, The PLA Captures Nanjing's, 1949, Reply to Li Sui, 11 May 1957, and Ode to the Plum Blossom, December 1961. On October 1st, 1949, Mao proclaimed the foundation of the correct option is option A, People's Republic of China. Thank you for watching.